guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back. So today I went for a more colorful look today, and I believe I used all the colors that I used are from the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette with the exception of one color which is on my lid that I used from, I think this is Makeup Geek. Yeah, Cinderella from Makeup Geek is what I use on my lid. Everything else that I use is from this palette. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Thank you for watching, subscribing, and give it a thumbs up if you like. See ya! Before we get started, of course, I'm going to take a sip of coffee. Nothing new there. So I'm going to first go in with that blue shade. It's kind of like maybe a royal blue shade. And this is what I'm going to use as my transition color into my crease. And I'm going to just blend that out with the Morphe blending brush. And then take a clean brush to blend out those harsh lines. So the next color I'm going in with is a vibrant blue shade in that palette, and I'm going to pop that onto my outer crease and blend it in about halfway into my crease. And here I'm using a Morphe blending brush as usual, and this is the same brush that I use to pop in the transition color. Some concealer to cut out my lid space, I'm going to go in with that Makeup Geek shade that I told you about. I believe it's called Cinderella, and this is what I'm going to use for my lid color. This is the only color that is not in that NYX Ultimate palette. So put that all over the lid using a shader brush. I'm just touching up on the colors in my outer crease and then blending that in halfway. The colors kind of got dull a little bit as I went on, so I wanted to touch up the color to make it a little bit more vibrant and provide some more depth. Time for the face. So I'm gonna prime my face using the MAC Prep and Prime, which I'm loving recently. It makes for a smooth canvas, and it fills in any dry patches that I have on my face, which is usually on my nose and right beside my nose. Everywhere else is fine. So after we prime our face, I'm gonna take a makeup remover wipe and I'm gonna sharpen out the edge of my eyeshadow on the outer crease just to make a sharp line. And then after that, we are going to go in with foundation, and I'm using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC44, I believe. I'm going to first put it on a tray and swirl it around, and then I'm going to go in with a foundation brush and put it on my face and then blend it out with a beauty blender. The tray just makes for easier pickup versus trying to spend all day pumping out that liquid because it takes forever, it seems. Concealer, Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to conceal under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose and my forehead. And I forgot to say that I popped on my Azeredo Cosmetics lashes in Hollywood off camera. I will have a separate tutorial for that. And also I'm using the Clinique, I believe this is the contour stick, and I can't think of the shade right now, but I'm going to use that as my contour shade, and then later on we're going to set that with powder. Next, I'm going to go in with the Lorac Tantalizer Duo, and I'm going to use that dark brown shade to set my cream contour. And I'm using another Morphe contour brush to set it. Blend everything out seamlessly with the IT Cosmetics brush, I'm going to go in with my favorite blush from Pacifica Beauty, Tenderhearted, and I'm going to pop that onto my cheeks using a Luxie brush. Then after that, we're going to go in with my favorite highlighter of all time, Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop. Now we're going to go on with, I already put Anastasia Beverly Hills Strip liquid lipstick on, and here I'm putting on Dose of Colors Can You Not Lip Gloss over top of it. This is my favorite, absolute favorite combo recently. And now I'm going to take the Hoola bronzer and I'm going to darken up that contour just a little bit more because it wasn't popping enough for me. So I just put a little bit and onto everywhere I put my cream contour. And then take the IT Cosmetics brush, face brush, and then just blend that all together. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face using a face brush. I believe this is from Morphe. And I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix powder to set the rest of my face. And then I'm going to pop on black liner onto my lower lash line, into my waterline. And then I'm going to follow up with that, it's like a purple shade. I'm sorry I didn't show it here, but it's like a purple, light purple shade, like a lavender shade in the palette. And I'm going to use that in my lower lash line. And last but certainly not least, I'm going to put some mascara on my lower lashes. This one is from Tarte Cosmetics. This is part of the Lights Camera Action, or is it Lights Camera Lashes? I think it's Lights Camera Lashes collection. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.